Hello Sleek Bill users. Welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In this video, we will learn how to show the total tax amount in quotation documents using Sleek Bill Billing Software. First, open your browser and visit the official Sleek Bill website at www.sleekbill.in. Once the website loads, click on the Login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your registered email ID and password. After entering your login details, click on the Sign In button. After successful login, you will be redirected to the Sleek Bill dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to Documents, then Quote and Proforma. Now find the option called Show Total Tax Amount. Enable this option to display the total tax amount in quotation documents. After enabling the option, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now create or preview a quotation document. You will see the total tax amount displayed in the quotation. That's it.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.